Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Smriti Walson and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we hear about the benefits of calcium all the time, but sometimes it takes more than that to really understand why it's such a crucial part of our diet. This vital mineral is crucial for preventing injuries as well as strengthening the bones. Surprisingly, calcium plays a very important role in maintaining everything, that is, in maintaining your heart health to maintaining your body weight. So it's very much important and crucial that you get enough of it every day. So now, what are the sources of calcium? One of the best, most cheapest and most bioavailable sources of calcium is eggshells. Yes, regular old eggshell. You just need a coffee grinder or grinder and few clean eggshells, and you can just whip up these eggshells, make it into a powder, and you can just make it within 1 hour. So go ahead and give your smoothies or soups or morning elixirs or tea or coffee a boost with this calcium eggshell powder. Calcium is that mineral which is very much essential for maintaining our bodily processes, but it can get tricky enough to get enough of it on a daily basis the old-fashioned way. That is, you get calcium content from leafy veggies or broccoli and stuff, but you need to eat a lot of it to see noticeable benefits. And supplementation is also not practically possible because it can get rough over your stomach, and also it is very difficult to digest man-made calcium supplements. So why get calcium from eggshells? Eggshells is entirely made up of calcium carbonate, which is exactly what makes up our nails, teeth and bones. And they are also loaded with huge amounts of protein, magnesium, then you have selenium, strontium. All of these are compounds which are really good for your bones and joints. And because they are a whole food and they are not at all man-made, they are very easy for the body to absorb and assimilate all the nutrients whatever is present in the eggshells. And the best part of it is that it is 100% free and zero waste. So just simply save in your old eggshells, so it will help in cutting down your kitchen waste. And in Ayurveda, eggshell powder is called as Kukutanda Twak Basma, and it is used in conditions like osteomalacia, osteoporosis, for diabetes, for leukorrhea, for acidity, for hair fall. So for all such conditions, eggshell powder is usually given. And the method of preparation which I am going to show you is going to be different from what is told in the classical texts of Ayurveda, because that is a little more difficult to prepare. So I am going to show you an easier way of preparation of this Kukutanda Twak Basma, that is eggshell powder. So you just have to clean the eggshells and you just have to incinerate it and powder it. And I'm going to tell you the dose of the medicine as well. So you just have to take around 125 mg of the powder, and you can have it daily on a regular basis. So you can mix it with your smoothies, or you can mix it with milk, or you can mix it with honey, or whatever you feel comfortable, and you can just have it on a regular basis. So it doesn't have any side effects and it is really very easy to prepare. So I hope you like my video and please do enjoy watching it. Thank you. Collect all the eggshells and you're going to boil it in water. So you have to add around 2 teaspoons of salt to it and allow the eggshells to nicely boil for around 15 minutes. So boiling is basically done to kill all the unwanted microbes and pathogens what is present over the eggshell. So once the boiling process is done, you have to remove a whitish layer which is present within the eggshell. So I will show you the white color covering or the lining which is present in the eggshell. That has to be totally removed off. Aha, I've got it. So you can see clearly. So this white lining has to be removed off. Now you have to sun dry it. The next thing you require is nimbu juice. So I have taken and I've squeezed out around 1 nimbu to obtain the juice. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the dry eggshells and you're going to triturate it with the nimbu juice. So I've triturated it and I have kept it in a plate. Or you can scatter it over a baking sheet. Now we are going to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 30 minutes. Now we are going to blend it using a grinder. So make sure that you grind the eggshells really well, because the powder has to become really very fine so that you don't get eggshell pieces in your tea or coffee or smoothies. So make sure that it is really very fine, and once you grind it, you have to filter it so that you get very fine particles of the powder. In Ayurveda, we usually incinerate it using a muffle furnace or using cow dung cakes, and due to high temperatures, what happens is the particles get all the more finer and it gets converted into nanoparticle size, and that is why it is called as bhasma. So basically, bhasmas are such fine powders that it gets very easily absorbed in the body and it acts very well in the body, and you require very less dose of the medicine. That is, you just require a pinch for it to act. It will be so strong. So since we don't have a muffle furnace, we'll be using a microwave. Make sure that you heat it enough. It shouldn't get charred, and it should be so fine that you don't find gritty particles in your mouth when you have it. So it should be that fine. So if it is fine and if you don't feel any grittiness in your mouth, that means that you have prepared the medicine properly. Yes, so finally I'm done with the eggshell powder. So in Ayurveda, to just test its perfectness, we just rub it over the fingers, and it's said that if it enters into the fine lines, the medicine is prepared properly. So I have mixed it with my tea, and as you can see, the particles are floating. That is also another method to test whether it is made perfectly or not. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.